To create a simple round, on your Model tab, under Engineering, we're going to select the Round command. I'm going to pick the drop down that says Sets, it says Set 1. I'm going to pick this edge right here, and you'll see that a fillet or a round is created. These two little items here, these two little dots, define the extents of the round. I can grab them and I can drag them out to what I want. I can click right here and I can change this value here to 0.2. I can also select other edges if I want. But you notice if I just pick the second edge without doing anything special, over here it creates set 2, which means now there are two different sets of fillets. That's not what I want. So I'm going to pick here, I'm going to say delete. If I want to have several fillets that all have the same value, that are all parametrically connected, I'm going to hold my control key down, and now I'm going to pick this edge, and this far edge back here. Now all four of these corners have a 0.20 fillet or round, but they're all defined by set 1. Now if I want to put some fillets on, say, these holes, I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these edges. It creates set 2. Now I can change this value separately, so I'm going to change this value to 0.15, and then I'm going to hold my control key down again, and I'm going to select these edges right here. So now these edges are all parametrically connected by having the same value. If I want to create a third set, I can pick this edge right here. Now I have set 3. I'm going to change this value here to 0.3125. That might be too much because when I go around, it's going to hit on this side. So I'm going to change this to 0.25. I'm going to hold down my control key. I'm going to pick this edge. I'm going to pick this edge. And why not pick this edge here and here? And on the back, I'll pick this edge here as well. Now each of these sets over here in my tree each have different values, so I can change them independent of one another. Under my Properties tab, I can pick this, control this round. I can change this to fillet or supply any name that I want, or fillets, since it's 3 different sets. My options, I'm gonna leave the rest of these alone the way they sit right now. To accept this, I'm just gonna hit my check mark, and you see that the fillets have been created. If I want to modify them, I can right click here, go to Edit Definition, go to Sets. If I pick a set, the value is right here. I can change it here, or I can click on it and change it here. Click on this set here, the value is here. I can change this to 1.4. I can click on set 1. Again, the value is here or right here. I can change it there as well. When I'm done making my changes, I just hit accept, and that completes the command.